Starting us off, we've got a company called Thinkwell. Now, think of Thinkwell as a health systems development organization that helps countries develop a universal health coverage, kind of what Kenya is trying to achieve with the NHIF when converting it to SHIF, but kind of flopping, yeah? Now, they're currently hiring for the following opportunities. They're hiring for a global controller in finance and accounting, as well as a technical director role. Now, if you are in the NGO world, if you're in the public health sector, if you are in the research sector, then this actually marries really, really well with your capabilities and experience. So you want to check them out. Next, we've got a company called Supra. And apparently the crypto industry has always had an issue committing to solving the Oracle problem. That is until Supra came on board and did their research on L1 ConsenSys for oracles. Now, what we all know by now is that industries or companies in the crypto industry, blockchain industry, Ethereum industry pay really, really well. And Supra is one of those companies. They're currently hiring for the following opportunities in these functions. Business development function, they're currently hiring for a developer advocate as well as a senior developer advocate. In the community function, they are hiring for an events manager as well as wildcard open-ended. When we move to creative and marketing, they're currently hiring for a graphic designer as well as a social copywriter. In engineering, they're hiring for a blockchain developer, a data research analyst, as well as a DeFi smart contract engineer. In operations, they're hiring for a junior recruitment assistant. In research, they're hiring for a blockchain data engineer, as well as numerous internship opportunities in production code quality, research engineer, and blockchain storage, and a technical product manager. When you're working with Supra, you get to enjoy the following benefits: competitive salary, you get to work from anywhere in the world, flexible working hours, work-life balance, as well as health insurance. This next company got me super excited because they are a trendsetter, particularly in the field of oncology. So if you're looking to work for a company that provide novel treatments, particularly for the patients who really, really need it, you want to check out this company. It's called TD2. And they are currently hiring for a senior clinical project manager as well as an executive director for clinical services. Still in the healthcare industry, this next company, Clipo Health, promises you a rewarding career as they help you and your community climb up the socioeconomic ladder. Now, Clipo Health, like I mentioned, is in the healthcare industry. However, they do have a fully distributed team. They're currently hiring for the following roles. 1, customer operations. Then we've got customer support, particularly in tier 1. We've got operations. Now here is where we find the associates. We've got the managers. We've got the team leads. They're also hiring in engineering. They're also hiring in HR or people. They're hiring in strategy, product, and lastly, sales. So if you wanted to work with Clipo Health, I urge you to head on over to our website, beyondthesavannah.co.ke, send in that application, but always remember to send in your application using an ATS-friendly resume, an optimized LinkedIn profile, and just in case they do ask you for that 1-minute video, make sure you have it already. If you don't have any of those, reach out to us, send us a DM, and we'll help you get one. Now, we all know Binance. If you've ever heard of cryptocurrency, then you've also heard of Binance. And when you're working for Binance, these are the following things that you should expect. 1, to be a part of the world's leading blockchain ecosystem. 2, get to work with the diverse team members. Get to work alongside world-class talent. You also get to enjoy competitive salary. It is a remote-first company. You also get to enjoy flexible working hours, unlimited paid time off, and literally work from anywhere in the world. They're currently hiring for the following roles. They're hiring for a product operations, a legal counsel, that is IP, intellectual property, an accelerator program for both special investigations and audit, a strategic advisory lead, a compliance analyst as well as a compliance specialist, a project coordinator role, a marketing junior affiliate manager, as well as a social media manager role. Now, if you're in any of those functions and this interested you, you know where to go to. Head over to beyondthesavannah.co.ke. This next company is called Nibiru, and they too are in the blockchain ecosystem. Really interesting, particularly level 1 blockchain. They're hiring for a community lead as well as a community growth country representative. So head on over to our website and send in your application for more details as well. Next, we've got Spruce ID, and they're in the business of creating digital versions of identification that offers you more privacy protection as well as control of your digital footprint. Think about it this way. If you had a company that produces mobile driver's license, That is what Spruce ID does. And when you work for them, these are the following benefits that you should expect to enjoy. One, an annual team gathering across the globe. You also get to enjoy flexible working hours. You get to enjoy working from anywhere in the world, unlimited paid time off, as well as quality group health insurance coverage. Now, they are currently hiring for the following roles. One is a site reliability engineer, a software engineer, a software development engineer, a business development manager, that is B2B, business to business, and also a business development manager, particularly focused on public sector. Next, we've got the following: a tech support engineer role, a senior Solidity and full stack engineer, a senior Solidity and full stack developer, a staff backend engineer, a staff data engineer, a senior site reliability engineer, software engineers, product marketing manager, solutions architect, customer success manager, and a security auditor diligence. Now, for this particular company, ConsenSys, the technical roles will earn you on average between $100,000 to $200,000 annually, and the non-tech roles, particularly the product manager role, will earn you anything between $150,000 to $250,000, and the customer success manager role will earn you anything between $96,000 to $164,000 US dollars annually. Their mission is to unlock the collaborative power of community, particularly of Web3, making it easier to use, build, and access. When you work for them, you get to enjoy the following benefits: unlimited paid time off, you get to work from anywhere, you get to enjoy flexible working hours since it's a remote first company. There is learning and development budget, as well as you get access and experience on Web3. The last company that we are featuring today is called Launch Potato, and they are just as fun as they sound, and they solve problems whether it is in the product development, data science, engineering, creative, and so much more. And don't forget that they are a distributed team. So if you're to work for Launch Potato, these are some of the benefits that you'd get to enjoy. Of course, the standard work from anywhere, flexible working hours, unlimited paid time off, but get this, you also get to enjoy, you also get to enjoy a free life insurance. Yes, free. You also get to enjoy a subsidized medical insurance, annual retreats, profit sharing, gym membership, a shiny new laptop. You also get to participate in CSR by giving back to the community that speaks most to your soul. There is a personal development budget, as well as training and mentorship. Now, they are currently hiring for 2 opportunities. One is a lead email marketing manager role and a senior video editor role. Now, if any of these roles interested you, what I want you to do, as always, is head on over to our website, beyondthesavannah.co.ke, and please remember that you need 3 things. 1 is an introductory video, 2, an artist-friendly resume, and 3, your optimized LinkedIn profile. If you don't have any of these, reach out to us, and currently we do have a 20% offer on all our products and services. I wish you nothing but all the very best in your job hunt, and please share this video with someone who might actually benefit from it, and I wish you nothing but all the very best in your job hunt. Until next time, bye.